number of cyber threats, it's crucial to safeguard our computer proactively. In this video, we will discuss detecting hackers on your computer and taking necessary steps to protect your digital security. Let's begin by understanding some common signs that may indicate that hackers are in your computer. First, it could be a red flag if you notice a sudden decrease in your computer performance, such as a slow startup time, frequently crashes, or unresponsive applications. Hackers often run malicious processes in the background. They consume system resources and impacting on the computer performance. Your PC may slow down if it's infected with the cryptojacker. Cryptojacker is a hacking technique that uses your computer resources to mine cryptocurrencies without your consent. In this case, your CPU and GPU fans suddenly starts working on overdrive. Second, watch for unauthorized access or changes to your files and folders. If you find files missing, renamed, or modified without your knowledge, it strongly indicates that someone has gained unauthorized access to your computer. Third, pay attention to unusual network activity. If you notice an unexpected increase in your internet data usage or your network connection seems unusually slow, it could be a sign that a hacker is actively using your computer to send or receive data. Fourth, the appearance of unfamiliar programs, toolbars, or browser extensions on your computer. Hackers often install malicious software to gain control over your system or to monitor your online activities. Fifth, be cautious if you receive strange emails, messages, or pop-ups asking for personal information or directing you to click on a suspicious link. These are common phishing tactics hackers use to gain access to sensitive data. 6. Check your security software status. Sometimes hackers disable your antivirus or firewall to make their intrusion less noticeable. It leaves your computer vulnerable to various cyber threats such as malware, viruses, phishing attacks, which may lead to unauthorized access to your details such as passwords and bank details. 7. Be cautious if you receive alerts about login from unknown location. It could mean someone is trying to hijack your online accounts. Hackers may capture your sensitive data to gain financial information or personal communications. Now that we have identified some possible signs of hackers, let's move on to the steps you can take to protect your computer. The first things you should do is to run a comprehensive antivirus scan. Make sure your antivirus software is up to date. Then perform a full system scan to detect any malware or malicious files that may have been installed by hacker. Next, use a reputable anti-malware tool to scan your system and remove any potential unwanted programs or adware that may have been installed without your consent. Monitoring your computer's network activity using a network monitoring tool is also a good idea. This will help you to identify any suspicious connections or data transfer that could indicate unauthorized access. In addition, make sure a firewall on your computer is enabled. A firewall acts as a barrier between your computer and the internet. It blocks unauthorized access and protecting your system from external threats. Finally, stay informed about the latest security threats and software vulnerabilities. Keep your operating system, applications, and plugins up to date with the latest security patches to minimize the risk of exploitation by hackers. Remember, prevention is vital when it comes to computer security. By being proactive and staying vigilant, you can reduce the chance of falling victim to hackers and protect your valuable data. We hope you find this information helpful and it empowers you to take the necessary steps to safeguard your digital world. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more informative content on cybersecurity. Stay secure, stay protected.